Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Real Man on ukulele. First, let's master the essential chords. You'll need to learn G, C, D, and M. Focus on pressing down firmly to get a clear sound from each string. Practice switching between these four chords slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Smooth transitions are key to making the song flow well. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern for Real Man. The main pattern is a simple down, down, up, up, down. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and maintain a steady tempo. Practice this pattern with each chord individually before combining them. A consistent rhythm will make the song sound much more polished and enjoyable. Now, let's put it all together by understanding the song's structure. Real Man primarily follows a verse-chorus format, repeating the chord progression. Start by playing along with a slower version of the song to get comfortable with the timing. Pay special attention to any parts where you find chord changes difficult and practice those sections repeatedly. Finally, once you're comfortable with the basics, you can explore some advanced tips. Try experimenting with slight variations in your strumming pattern to add more dynamics. You might also consider incorporating a simple fingerpicking pattern during the verses for a different texture. Most importantly, have fun playing Real Man on your ukulele and enjoy the process of making music.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.